Hello, grade 6 students. This is STP Mathematics 1A, Unit 1, Unit Test. First of all, apologies for not uploading the video for a few days because I was not well. And I promise you to bring this video, I think, last Friday. And we were planning to complete the unit 1 and the unit test on Friday and move with the unit 2, but we couldn't complete as we wish because of my health condition. Apologies for that. So I'll explain you what you are supposed to do when we are having this unit test. I'll write the questions here in black color. What you want to do, children, if you have a separate book, you can take that book and use that book for all the unit test here. After each and every unit that we are going to have the unit test now, you can keep a separate book. If not, no need to worry. You use your exercise book itself. First, what you need to do, children, you write down the questions, or else you can do something like this. You can pause the video. This is not like in the class. You can pause the video and you can write the answers. No. So then whatever the method you wish, so then you can do like that. But the only requirement, don't try to get the answers from your sisters, brothers, or parents. You do it by yourself. And don't look at the textbook also. It doesn't matter. You do it by yourself, and tomorrow, when I release the answers, you just mark your answers and see that you get kind of a confidence that if you have done everything correctly. So that's the confidence and the positive mindset you have. Let's say that you have got most of them wrong. Don't worry. So then here it is only the beginning. We have more 11 months, right, to complete this academic year. Don't worry about it. So then you can improve and see what are the mistakes you have done. Maybe that the calculations errors or the careless mistakes. Other than that, this is all about the addition and subtraction. So that is something you have learned from grade 1, 2, 3, right? So this is not something that which you can't understand. The only thing that if the answers are wrong, maybe due to the careless mistakes or the calculations error. Right, we'll see that. Don't worry. You try your best, right? So then, whatever the time duration that you take, 1 minute, so then do it and show the workings, everything like you are in the exam hall. At the moment when you are watching this, if you are not in a calm and quiet place, please go to a calm and quiet place and think that you are in the exam hall. Having that mindset, you want to start this because you want to practice that how it works in the exam environment, especially as the grade 6 students. This is the first time that you are dealing with the middle school curriculum, children. So you want to have a better practice in the primary school. Your teachers and the assistant teachers were there to help you. No? Therefore, please do it in a proper way under the exam condition. Okay, so we'll start the test now. So you want to that when you write the question numbers, you want to write it in black, and then when you are writing the answers, you want to write it in uh, the blue color. Okay, so then I'll move to the topic and you can start working now. I'm not talking here. You want to do this in a peaceful, calm, and quiet mindset. If there is anything only, I'll speak. Other than that, you just do it slowly. Pause your video and do it in a calm and quiet mindset. This is all about the addition that where we have only single digits, right? You know that when you have something horizontally, what we need to do, from where, which side you want to start. If it is in the vertical side, what we need to do, from which side you want to start, that you want to recall that what we learn, children. Now you can see that you have not the numbers with one digit. Now you have big numbers, and see that some of the questions you have in the vertical format, and some of the question you have the in the horizontal format, and you know what to do when you have something like this. Okay, so then I'll move to the next one. Here you can see we have mixed addition and subtraction. You have all that the addition, subtraction together in the same sum, and we'll see that how you can get the answers, right? Okay, though I'm moving the screen so quickly, when you want to do that sum, you can pause in the video and you can do it, right? No rush. Right. So then we just see that he has bought 5 storybooks, right? So then the story, you just understand 5 storybooks, and the one storybook is 80 pence, right? So then you want to understand that what is the cost for that. Then he has taken 3 exercise book. One exercise book is what? One exercise book is 15, right? And then he has taken 15 pence, right? So then you want to check that to here, that I will just change it to right. So this is all about the unit test, children, right? So then there are 20 questions, right? There are 20 questions. I'll make it right. 20 questions you want to attend for, and then tomorrow I'll bring you the answers, right? So do an honest job, so then you can understand your level by yourself. So then if it is that something which you have not done up to a satisfactory level, so that means you want to study more. Okay, children. So then tomorrow I'll bring the answers for the unit test. Until then, stay safe, do the honest job, and be ready to discuss the answers. See you.